want to go to work.
I have an idea.
Really?
What if we didn't go to work and went to Disneyland instead?
Okay, sure. Let's go.
No, seriously. Let's go to the airport right now. We have decided to skip out on work. We're going on a trip. So we're heading to our plane now, breeze through security, piece of cake. And this coaster here says she is very excited to get to our destination.
What? I couldn't hear you.
She can't hear me, so she's going to just make up some random answer.
That's right.
The train is arriving. Belongings and watch your step.
Dear diary, our flight is delayed. We've got a mechanical, so we're delayed by about 30 or 40 minutes right now. As you can see, it's a lovely sunrise. Got up way too early for this, but what can you do? We just gotta wait until this thing gets fixed. And then we're going to be heading to LA. And we're going to Disneyland at first, but we're ultimately going to California for a friend's wedding. Hopefully we're going to hook up with some friends along the way. Dear diary, it's been 4 weeks since we left the house for the airport. Our flight is still delayed.
I want to go.
And according to the app, we're already a third of the way there. And yet we're not on the airplane. We did just get some sandwiches because our flight continues to be delayed. This video may not actually have us arrive at the park at all. It may be nothing but us at the airport all day. We'll see. I think we're now at 2-hour delay. In an alternate universe, that's us leaving. We are still delayed. Now we are looking at about 2.5 hours from our original departure. So we're just continuing to wait. Hopefully we're gonna get out of here soon. We were hoping we were gonna get to Disneyland, be in the park by 11:30 or so, but now it's looking like it's gonna be more like 1:30, could be even 2 o'clock before we arrive at Disneyland Resort. Luckily, we have a backpack full of food, an iPad and a laptop full of movies and TV shows. We're in for the long haul if we need to be. We're getting out of here one way or another. We're actually going. We're going. We're going. It's a holiday miracle.
Finally.
We actually arrived in LA at LAX. It was a long journey. We left 3 hours late, got in 3 hours late. Now we got to collect our bags, go get ground transportation, and we're going to head to Disneyland. And then a couple of days from now, we're going to a wedding. Mr. Coaster bag right here. I can tell because I get the little tagger on it. That's got her bag. We're just about ready to go. So how does it feel to actually be here, Nat?
Surreal.
Way back once upon a time, back when I was flying, they had they've had many different restaurants. There are a few different restaurants up there, but there was a sci-fi based restaurant sort of for a little while. I don't even remember what the name of it was. We are waiting for our Uber, or no, a Lyft. This time we got a Lyft. We've taken a private limousine to Disneyland before. That was awesome. That was awesome. Pricey but awesome. And the Disneyland Express, yeah, it's not like the Magic Express at Disney. It's really not even run by Disney at all. So a lot of people don't like it. We don't like doing the shared ride. We're going to ride ourselves and have a nice quiet ride with just us. Where are we, Annette?
Where are we?
We finally made it.
20 hours later.
Who are these people? So we've arrived at the Disneyland Hotel. We're going to head in and check in just a few moments. All right, we're in room 2262. This is the Adventureland Tower room tour. It's a deluxe room with a pool view. And there's our entryway. Looking off to our left here as we enter this little closet right here. And it looks like there is another door to this closet, so a fairly big size closet right there. And over here on the left is going to be the bathroom. And here is our bathroom. Check out the cool Mickey fixtures here with the hands. And sink area. And over here, see, this is the shower. Some rooms to put some things. We usually bring a lot of our own toiletries, so it's good to have room to store those in the shower. And let's go into the rest of the room. So around the corner here, we've got our bed. And there's the famed headboard with the fireworks. We'll set that off momentarily here. And a nice little pillow. A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. Do you feel magical here yet? We got an art of Walt walking through the castle. So this is the bed, and looking, this is our view. It is a pool view. Unfortunately, it's also a view of the construction guys, because there's a lot of construction going on with Tangaroa Terrace and the pool. But that's okay. We're not really going to be in the pool, or we're not going to be in a hotel room all that much, and they're going to certainly be down during the hours we'll be here in the afternoon. So right here is the pool that is open, and here's the desk and a little mirror, a little work desk here. We've got several outlets. We also have plenty of plugs and batteries on in our bag, so it's good to have some of those. Here's the chair and a relatively small TV, along with the dresser. And looking a little closer here, we've got the mini fridge in here to be able to store a few things. And then the drawers, pretty deep drawers. I don't think we're going to need that much space here. Looks like plenty of space here for if you're staying a few days. That's it, that's the room. And we've got another art, didn't even look at this art, but another art of some Disneyland history, present and past, which is pretty cool. And then it's right back out of the room. And that's the lights and the blinking little music right above your bed. Annette got the birthday girl button because one of the things we're doing here is celebrating her birthday. So happy birthday. So thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the room tour. And be sure to check out some of our other videos as we're visiting Disneyland once again. And remember, kids, have a good time all the time.